Hello! Hello! We are live! Ako po ay nagbabalik. It's me, David, and we are live. And we are here and look at it. Yan. We are here in Musashi Shinjo, Kawasaki. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. Isang napakagandang at malamig na afternoon po dito sa Japan. It's me, David. And hello! Thank you for the people that are watching. Again, I just wanna share po the intention of this video. The intention of this video is for me to share this amazing business opportunity that we have, that I do, which is called affiliate or digital marketing, while also practicing and learning what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur, while also unlocking po our full potential through personal development. So kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng, if you guys are looking for a business, pero wala po kayong alam kung paano to simulan, you are in the right place. And also if you are looking for mindset shift or something that it can help you improve your life, you are in the right video. Kasi po yun po ang aking goal, and I also want to be able to help people like you that are watching right now, because that's also my goal. So yun po, medyo matagal-tagal po akong di nakapag-live. And today, since 2 weeks po akong hindi nag-live and hindi nag-conduct ng mindset, let's all talk about something po that it's really, really important. Bakit ba tayo nag-start ng isang online business, ng isang business? That's my topic today. So what made me start? And ano ang nakapag-desisyon sa amin? Bakit kami nag-decide na magkaroon ng negosyo, di ba? Kasi we all know, I'm gonna speak in behalf of me and I. Marami in our day and age right now, marami pong tao na nagtatry rin maging isang negosyante or maging isang entrepreneur, and they have a lot of reasons to do it. They have a lot of reasons how to start the business. Merong iba gusto ng panibagong change, merong iba gusto ng pagbabago. Pero ako po, isi-share ko po kung bakit po kami nagdesisyon, kaming dalawa ng asawa ko, na mag-start ng digital business or ng online business. So number 1 po, let's go straight away to the topic. This is just a quick refresher lang po para at least alam niyo po, why do I do this? Okay? So the first reason po, and the first reason, and also you can call this a benefit if you are going to start your own business, is number 1, kaya po ako nag-start ng online business or nag-start ng aking sariling negosyo is, first of all, I want to be my own boss. Gusto ko po, ako po ang boss ng sarili kong negosyo, di ba? Ayun talaga ang isang pinaka-importante na rason kung bakit kami na ganito. Kasi, habang tumatagal po ang pagiging empleyado, for me, again, I have nothing against po sa ating mga empleyado. Ako po ay currently am a teacher right now. Pero in becoming a teacher po, for a very long time here, now it's my 5th year, medyo na-open up po yung aking kaisipan na ayoko pala talagang maging empleyado for the rest of my life. I do not want to work for other people. I just want to work for myself. I want to build my own dreams, and ayoko na pong i-build ang dreams po ng other people. So ayun po ang isa sa mga malaking rason kung bakit po kami nag-start magnegosyo ng aking asawa, is we want to be our own boss. Okay? Pangalawa, kaya po ako naging negosyante, kaya po namin ginawa tong online business is, pangalawa, is we want to have financial freedom or financial independence. Ngayon po sa aking trabaho, although I'm compensated fairly and kinda good, mataas na po kasi ang aking pangarap. So nag-change na po ang aking pangarap, and becoming a teacher is a calling, and it's such a fulfilling experience, but I want more. Ang pagiging teacher, hindi po niya kayang ibigay ang mga pangarap na gusto kong ibigay sa aking mga magulang, sa pangarap na gusto kong ibigay sa aking pamilya. Kaya nakapag-desisyon po kami na maghanap ng panibagong ways para kumita po. Kasi po, para sa akin, hindi po talaga sapat. Dahil lalong-lalo na po sa mga bilihin na parating tumataas, tax na parating tumataas, dami pong dumatagdag every single time. Napapansin po namin na we wanted more. We wanted more. And also, kaya po kami nagnegosyo is we want to experience financial freedom. Pangalawa, gusto ng lahat, we want to experience time freedom. When I say time freedom po, kasi po tayo mga empleyado ngayon, ang ginagawa po natin is tinitrade po natin ang ating oras para sa pera. We are trading our time for money. So we are physically required to be in school. We are physically required to be in our office. So yun po ang bagay na gusto namin palitan. And in this business that we are doing, hindi po namin kailangan magstay ng 8 hours. Hindi po namin kailangan trabahuhin ng 10 hours ang isang negosyo, di ba? So, gusto ko pong kasi makapag-spend ng oras ko with my family. And being an employee, medyo mahirap po siyang gawin. Kasi every time you are required to be in the office, you are required to be in the school, you are required to do something, natatanggal po ang time freedom na inaasam po namin. Kasi po, meron po kaming anak. And isa sa mga napansin ko is we want to be with them every single time. Gusto ko po na makasama ko ang aking anak habang lumalaki siya. Gusto ko po makasama at makita ang aking anak habang nagagawa niya po ang mga milestone na yun. And the last one po is, I want to have financial freedom, time freedom, and I want to improve every day as a person. Kung ikaw po ay isang negosyante, you are the own boss. Kailangan mo mag-improve araw-araw, di ba? Kasi pag hindi ka nag-improve, mamamatay ang iyong negosyo. And in becoming a negosyante and becoming a business owner, mapipilitan ka po mag-improve. Because ikaw na yung boss eh. If you are not growing and if you are not learning, that means your business is dying. That's why ginawa ko rin po to as a challenge to myself. Challenge to myself para mag-step up po ako at magawa yung mga bagay na talagang gusto kong gawin for a very long time. And the last one is, nabanggit ko pala ito kanina, I want to spend more time with my family. Okay? Because being an employee really, really takes time. Parati nilang kinukuha ang oras with your, nakukuha nila ang oras na instead of being with your family, you need to be inside the office. Instead of being with your family, you need to go and work inside the school, be with other people and stuff like that. Umabot na po sa punto na gusto ko na po ng pagbabago. So yun po ang dahilan kung bakit po ako nag-online business. And in this day and age, lahat po ng gusto kong mangyari at lahat po ng mga hinahanap ko, ibinibigay po nitong negosyo na ito. Kaya nag-shift po kami in order for us to, number one to be our own boss. In this business that we are doing right now, kami po ang boss. So we call the shots. We can work whenever we want to. We create our own schedule and we create our own timeline. Ayun po ang pinakagusto kong nagagawa ko sa isang negosyo na to. And pangalawa, 2, financial freedom. In this business that we are doing, sobrang dami na pong tao ang yumaman. Sobrang dami na pong tao ang naging milyonaryo. That's why nakikita ko po na hindi po siya imposible dahil marami na pong taong nakagawa nun. At marami na pong tao ang nagagawa siya ngayon. That's why I'm so motivated to achieve that also. And pangatlo, time freedom. Napakadami po within our community that are really experiencing time freedom right now. When I say time freedom po, nakakapag-travel po sila kahit saang lupalop po ng mundo na gusto nilang punta. Kung gusto mong pumunta sa Paris, pwede. Kung gusto mong pumunta sa Amerika, pwede. And you can bring this business with you. Ayun ang pinaka nagustuhan ko po dito kasi me and my family, we like traveling. We want to go on vacation. Kaya po nakita nyo na po, last week po, habang nasa Pilipinas po ako, marami pa rin po tayong business inquiries and marami pa rin tayong business that is working in the background kahit po kami ay nagbabakasyon. Kaya napakaganda po ng benepisyo ng pagkakaroon ng online business. And number 4, I want to be able to help other people also in becoming successful. Yung lahat po ng sinabi ko sa inyo, yun po ang ginagawa namin sa aming negosyo ngayon. We help people be successful and in helping people, we gain commissions by that. So yun po, that is my live for today. It's just a quick live. It's just a reminder kung bakit ko ba ito ginagawa. Bakit ko ba ito ginagawa? Why am I doing this? I am doing this for my family. Ito po, pasensya na po, may ginagawa ko po to. Lahat ng ito kaya po ako nag-shift is because of my family. I'm doing this for my daughter, Zoe. I'm doing this for my wife, I'm doing this for my mom and my dad. And I'm doing this for all the people that I love. Because I believe that one point, naniniwala po ako talaga na I can give back to them at one point in this business because marami na pong nag-succeed in this business and I'm only following po kung ano ang kanilang ginawa. Wala naman pong imposible if we are trying it and we are working hard towards it. So if you are looking for a business right now, gusto nyo pong magkaroon ng extra income pero hindi nyo alam kung paano nyo sisimulan, message me. Kaya ko po kayong tulungan. Kung wala po kayong idea kung paano magsimula ng negosyo pero gusto nyo magkaroon ng negosyo, message nyo po ako. I can help you and I can explain it to you. And let's go and make some money together. So yun po. Again, the intention of this video is for me to share this amazing business opportunity that we have, which is called digital marketing. If you want to learn more, please message me your email and your name so that I can register you on our website. Yung pong website namin, pag nag-register po kayo doon, you will receive a live webinar na makakapili po kayo ng dates which is happening every Wednesday and Friday. Kung wala naman po kayong oras on our live webinar, you can come and watch the replay every single time. Every single time po, we have a replay and yun po. So, ang intention po nito, again, is for me to share this amazing business opportunity while also learning and practicing po what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur. Yun po talaga ang goal ko and I want to help other people also to achieve that goal. So, yun po, actually, asan na ba ako pupunta? Pupunta po kasi ako doon sa isang, what do you call this? Asan na ba yun? Ito na pala yung hinahanap ko. Yeah, magbabayad ako ng tax. So we are now here. So, yes, I will see you guys again for my next live, which is tomorrow. Maraming salamat po sa mga taong nanonood at sa taong makakanood at manunood po nitong video na to. Again, this is me, David. I will see you guys again for my next live, which is tomorrow. Thank you po. Peace.